All right, so for DMR, it says that two neighbors live 3 miles in a rural area from each other. What is the distance between their homes in feet? So we're trying to sit here and figure out the distance they are from each other in feet. So we have to figure out what we know already. So we know the neighbors live 3 miles from each other, but we want to convert to feet. All right, so we're trying to figure out how do we go from miles to feet. So we set up our proportion. So we know that 3 miles is the distance that we know, and we put it over 1. We're trying to get the feet part. So we're trying to convert miles into feet. So I want to put miles on the bottom, and I'm going to see if miles, if I have on my conversion sheet, if I have feet with it. Because right now I can cross off miles and miles. So let's look at our conversion sheet. And I see 1 mile equals 5,280 feet. Perfect. So I'm going to put 1 on the bottom and 5,280 on top. So I'm going to put 1 on the bottom and 5,280 feet up on top. Okay. So then you'll have these lines already. I am going to cross off, and you'll have these. So I'm going to cross off my miles, cross off my miles. So right now I'm left with feet. So now I just have to multiply 5,280 times 3 and 1 times 1. Well, 1 times 1 and multiply across is 1. And then I do 3 times 5,280. So let's do that. So 5, 2, 8, 0 times 3. So I put my 3 on the bottom. I gotta times it. Put my line underneath it. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 8 is 24. Put my 2 up on top. And my 4. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. And 3 times 5 is 15. So, on top, you're going to get 15,840 feet. So your answer is anything over 1 is just that answer, 15,840. And then we get feet. So you can type your answer here is 15,840 feet. All right, so that's DMR for today.